Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some glitter mail that I got from Frans Glitter and More. And let's get started. First up we have watermelon rind. Very pretty. It's like super small hex. Beautiful. Then we have disco ball, which is different sizes. The little stuff sticking to the sides. But it's, see, it's chunky too. Very sparkly. All right, that was disco ball. And we have Erin. It's very pastel opal-y. It's very opalish. Different sizes. Gorgeous. Then we have Periwinkle. So pretty. Then we have Elsa. Just gorgeous. Frosty blue color. We have Nala, which is a champagne it's pretty fine. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Then we have diamonds, which speaks for itself. Silver and basically just the silver sticking. Hang on, let me look. Hard to do with just one hand. Okay. See it? Certainly sparkles like diamonds. Let's hope I don't spill it. So that's diamonds. Then we have a holographic called Semper. This is awesome. It's exactly what it would look like on a cup with the tack-it method. Semper Fi, always faithful. My husband is a former Marine. I don't think he would appreciate a cup like this, though, made. Even though the name is Semper Fi. Then we have Sanderson Sisters. Beautiful. We have a chunky mix. Nannys Baby. It's very color shifty. Holographic mix. Fine and chunky. Then we have Union, which is gorgeous. It's got the small pieces and the chunky. It's a beautiful, beautiful blue. That is Union. We have a black chunky. This is called Back the Blue, but I think I ordered one that's called Black Tie Event, but I got this instead, so I don't know if this is the new color or the new name, or if I just got the wrong glitter. This is like a chunky black. Then I have a Firefighter. It's very pretty. Super small hex, it looks like. Then I have First Responder, which is kind of like the Firefighter, but it's got a purple and then it's got holographic little glitters in it that show off the purple, green, and blue, where the Firefighter is pretty much all red. It's a First Responder. The Firefighter back. Then we have Longhorn, which is beautiful coppery. It's so pretty. And then we have Heavenly Chunky. I have done a few pieces lately using the regular Heavenly, the Heavenly Fine. And I'm so excited about this chunky one. This is one of the pieces using Heavenly Fine. So that right there, that's Heavenly Fine under epoxy. And then this is the chunky. And then I have two versions of Smurfette. This is the Smurfette Fine. Very holographic. And then we have the Smurfette Chunky. which is a mix of the fine and the chunky, I guess, because it's sticking to the... Hang on, I'm going to set you down for just 1 second. I just want you to see what it actually looks like, because the little pieces are sticking to the bottle and you're not seeing the chunky. So a lot of glitters, when you look at the bottle, it can be very deceiving, because if they have fine particles on them too, or in it too, then that's what sticks. So see, you can really even see any of the chunky. But so that's them, guys. And if you're interested in any of these glitters, it is from fransglitterandmore.com. I'm not a glitter affiliate, so I don't have any coupons for you. But I know that her first, on her website for first timers, there's a 10% coupon up at the top of the homepage. If you're interested, you will not be disappointed. So I got to put these back. And I also wanted to show you guys, I have these little racks that I got, because all my glitter was in boxes. So these little racks are very cool, because you can put them, they're spice racks actually, so you can put them up on your wall and get glitter out of boxes. That way you can see exactly what you got. And they just clip right in. So that way when you're looking for a certain thing, these all came from Frans. This chameleon is super cool. These are all the white opals from Frans. There's the heavenly fine. Holographics. Here's some from Mr. Nola's glitter. This whiskey and rhinestones is so pretty. The Louisiana lace, which is one of my favorite glitters of all time. Which might be why I like Heavenly, because it looks a lot like, actually it looks more like Fran's Erin. Yeah, so and here's some from Laura's Art Corner. So Mr. Nola's glitter are great glitters, but they all come in bags, not shakers. So I mean, you can go online and get spice containers and put them in your shakers yourself. Frans Glitter and More, all of her glitters come in shakers. So yeah. So yeah, these are very, very cool. So they just clip in. And You get a box full of these, enough to, I think it's 11 of them, enough to hold 50 bottles. And I believe they are on sale right now for 19 bucks. And they have sticky tape. And if you don't want to tape it, they do have holes in them, and they come with, can you see the holes? And you can put screws in. But yeah, so it's a box of them, and they come for 50, or they hold 50 bottles. I think they're, did I already say that? On sale right now. So I got them at Amazon, and I'll link them in the bottom, in the description, if you're interested. So I gotta go put all my glitters away, and then I have to do some flood coats on some projects, which is why I'm wearing gloves, because I can't have glitter on my hands while doing these projects I'm working on. Alright guys, thanks for joining me, and I'll see you on the next video.